And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, the warm dome of dry, sunny to mostly sunny weather, or the upper ridge, is expanding now. It's expanding this way and this way. So things are starting to move up and around it here in this direction, and then everything is kind of moving on the underbelly back to the west. And as a matter of fact, by the end of the week, it's going to be warmer in places like Fargo and Sioux Falls and Minneapolis and even up here to Boston than it's going to be in northern Florida. We could get some 90s out on the mid-Atlantic, and we could get to 90 degrees in South Dakota as well. This storm, looks like it's going to be a big storm for us, right? It's big out here in the Pacific Northwest. A lot of this will move up and over the ridge, and we'll just kind of get the tail end of it. But it will bring cooler weather and a few showers and thunderstorms by late in the weekend. Doesn't look like a big deal rainfall wise, but it may bring some frost just to start next week before it warms up again. We drop into the low 50s by 11 o'clock tonight. We cool quickly because the air is so dry. And keep in mind, have your camera ready. Should be a beautiful sunset with all these high clouds around. We drop into the low to mid 40s overnight. 42 to 46 should do it viewing area wide. Tomorrow, beautiful day, lots of sun. High clouds around 75 to 80. The wind cranks up a little bit more tomorrow, but very, very dry air. So the soils continue to dry out even tomorrow. 80 at Wheatfield, mid 70s at Logansport around Royal Center, to upper 70s at Williamsport and Pine Village. On Wednesday, how about upper 70s to low 80s? About 80 in Greater Lafayette. A lot of high and mid-level cloudiness in the morning, then lots of sun and breezy to windy in the afternoon. Still the air very dry, so lots of evaporation underway with a 77 at Logansport and an 81 degree high at Fowler. There are the high clouds that come in late tomorrow and tomorrow night. Then they get out of here on Wednesday. Some high clouds on Friday, but still a lot of sun around and a lot of sun Thursday. This system will bring a few showers and thunderstorms Saturday night to early Sunday morning, and then it gets briefly cooler. A little trough tries to just skim through the area. Then it warms right back up next week. The ridge re-expands, and we're back to 80 degrees once more. Here's all your warmth Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And here's some of that cooler weather that briefly impacts us by late in the weekend. You'll see that here, 81 Thursday, 80 Friday, but notice after 80 Saturday, it's a 62 on Sunday, a 55 Monday, but that's not a trend. Watch what happens next week. We're back to 80 on Thursday.